Food and beverage manufacturers are facing new challenges on a daily basis, as powerful retailers, regulatory requirements and consumers apply increasing pressure on the business. You, as a decision maker, are also concerned with growing market share and profit margins to help develop your enterprise. Iconic's ability to quickly collect, visualize and report was the reason we based our enterprise information system on Genesis. Competition is furious and margins are slim. The demand for real-time data from both within and outside the enterprise has become an increasingly important element in the fight to reduce costs and increase efficiency across the board, whilst maintaining a high level of quality and customer service. This is where Iconics can help you.